Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, on Mama Bui's menu, we are making chicken veggie pizza and chicken ranch pizza using artisan flatbread. This recipe comes in handy when you are looking to make something quick and easy. You can also use whole wheat artisan flatbread. You can use any pizza toppings of your choice. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, we're gonna start by cooking the chicken. Cut the chicken into 1-inch bite-sized pieces. Heat the oil in a medium skillet over medium heat. Add the chicken, then season with salt and black pepper. The reason we pre-cook our chicken, pizzas usually don't take long to bake. The time is really to crisp the dough and melt the cheese. The chicken won't cook through in the short baking period time, so it needs to be pre-cooked, guys. Remove the meat from the pan and allow it to cool. So let's get right into the ingredients. You will need artisan flatbread. You can use any of your choice. Marinara sauce, ranch dressing, red onions, feta cheese, mushrooms, mozzarella cheese, grape tomatoes, olives, bell peppers, architokes, spinach, ground ginger, basil, and chicken. So let's get started. We're gonna start with the chicken ranch pizza. Top bread with ranch and spread to an even layer. Just like so, guys. Sprinkle mozzarella cheese. This pizza, guys, is super easy to make. Minimal ingredients. It's crisp outside but soft on the inside. Sprinkle basil. Top with bell peppers, black olives, and chicken. As you can see, guys, it takes only 2 minutes on each flatbread to assemble. It doesn't take long, guys. It's quick and easy. Lastly, we're gonna top with red onions. And our pizza is ready to be baked. I have a pizza stone in the oven, guys. My oven is preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna bake this for 6 minutes. Now let's move on to assemble chicken veggie pizza. Top bread with marinara sauce and spread to an even layer. Guys, this one is my favorite. Top with spinach. Throw in some grape tomatoes. As you can see, guys, I have sliced them in half. You can use any kind of vegetables you like, guys. Top with mushrooms. Throw in architokes in there. Lastly, we're gonna top with red onions, then sprinkle a little bit of mozzarella on top. Now we're gonna remove our pizza. Look how beautiful it is, guys. It looks so amazing. Now we're gonna cook the chicken veggie pizza. After 6 minutes, it's out, guys. Now we're gonna sprinkle feta cheese on top, guys. This will take it into another place. I don't know where, guys. Maybe Africa. Okay, there you have it, guys. Simple, easy recipes that you can make in 9 minutes from start to finish. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are looking to make a homemade pizza for your next pizza night in, you have to give this chicken ranch and chicken veggie pizzas a try, guys. You can also use my homemade pizza dough if you don't like store-bought flatbreads. I'll leave the link up somewhere here. I have a good recipe for pepperoni pizza, and on that video I have the recipe for the pizza dough. Always let your pizza to cool for 5 minutes before you slice it. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.